Hello students, welcome to Cisco Networking Academy of City University Ludhiana. So the purpose of this video is how to enroll into NetAcad portal of the Cisco so that you can learn Introduction to Cybersecurity course. So my name is Manish Kaushal. I am accredited Cisco educator at City University. So let's start the enrollment process. So first of all, you need to check your mailbox uh, for a mail that is from Networking Academy. Now this will be the subject, Get Started with Cisco Networking Academy. You just need to open this mail. In the contents of the mail, this is your NetAcad ID. Okay, you just click on Activate Account. Okay, after clicking, you will be redirected to the Cisco website. So here you will get a form to create account on Cisco. Okay, just check out your name, last name matches to your certificates, means whatever the name you want on your certificate, you should update your name accordingly. Okay, so now you need to create the password. The password should be complex, minimum of 8 characters, which will be having symbols, numbers, as well as lowercase and uppercase characters. So let's have a password, a complex password of minimum 8 characters. Then after that, you need to enter the captcha. Then would you like to update about the Cisco? You can click on yes or no, it's up to you. Then just click on the register. Just wait for the registration process to complete. After that, you will be redirected to the NetAcad login page. So here, just type the email address. Then click on next. Then the password you just assigned and click on sign in. For this process, you can use Chrome as well as Mozilla. So after login, you will get this page of Cisco Networking Academy, in which the first page is of your profile. You just need to update the profile information, first name, last name, then gender, male, female, then date of birth. Okay, so just complete this one. Complete all the field, disability, yes or no, then click on create account. After that, you will get a welcome message. Let's start learning Introduction to Cybersecurity. Click on launch course. You can click here to launch the course. So this is the home page of your course. So here you will get a welcome message which will guide you how to use this interface. So for example, this brief tour will highlight some key features to help you in your learning journey. You can read it out. Just click on next. It will tell these are the site links. Then click on next. Course topics and activities are in this area. Okay. Then this will provide the external tools, quizzes, resources, etc. So you can go through this course, which will introduce regarding the options available on this page. Now click on the end tour. So you will get here, this is chapter 1 of Introduction to Cybersecurity course, chapter 2, 3, 4. Only 5 chapters are there which you need to complete in 15 hours. The last date to complete this course is 21st of April, and after that you need to give the final exam, that too before 21st of April. Remember, you need to complete this course before 21st of April only, then you will get the certificates and badges from the Cisco, right? So let's start how to access the contents. So here on chapter 1, start from the chapter 1, launch chapter 1. Just click on that. You will be redirected to the course contents. So here, Introduction to Cybersecurity course contents through these different pictures. Click any image to begin. Okay, you can click on any image. So here is the chapter 1 contents. This is the chapter 1 1.0. So you need to read out the need for cybersecurity. Difficult contents are there. At the end of the chapter there will be quizzes. Now read this. Now click on the next. You will get the next material. What is cybersecurity? Okay, then click on next. In this way you can complete your chapter study, your online and offline. What is identity? What is your data? So this is the process. After chapters, whenever you complete the first chapter, you need to give the quiz. Okay, so just come to the previous page. So here there is chapter 1 quiz. Whenever you completed this chapter, okay, complete chapter, and chapter contain 5 sections, 1.0, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the summary of the chapter, conclusion. Then after that you need to complete this quiz. Just click on chapter 1 quiz and attempt quiz now. Okay, so here there are some MCQs. So you need to complete this quiz after studying the first chapter. In this way, all the quizzes have different, all the chapters have different quizzes. Okay, you need to complete those too. Clear? So see, there is chapter 2 quiz, 3 quiz, 4 quiz. So in this way you will complete all the chapters and the quizzes. After that you need to give the final exam. Okay, so remember, to give the final exam you need to complete this feedback also, end of course feedback. Whenever you complete this feedback after studying all the chapters, the exam will be activated. See, if I click on the final exam right now, so it is not available unless the activity end of course feedback is marked complete. So you need to do end of course feedback. This is the end of course feedback. Is after completing the studying all the courses, you need to give this assessment. This is the feedback. All right. After that, you can appear in the exam. So hope everything is understood. So in case of any issues, you can contact through the WhatsApp groups you are enrolled in. Okay, or you can call me. The number is available in the WhatsApp group. Thank you, students, and good luck.